We have been talking about the issue of what has been happening with NASA and the nominees the coalition has made to the all-important Parliamentary Service Commission, having the Speaker of the National Assembly, Justin Muturi, send them back to the drawing board, postponing or suspending that motion as Parliament went on recess until February. Let's talk about Jubilee and their hand in this particular discussion and Dismas. Many people in NASA, including some of the parliamentarians, did hear the minority whip, Junet Mohammed, asking why is Jubilee interested in NASA, affairs? Why are they meddling? Are they meddling? Having Muturi Kigano, try to push this agenda so much.
Now, Junet Mohammed must know that politics is about getting influence and getting many more numbers. And if he doesn't want Jubilee meddling within NASA, then he wants us to practice politics as we see it in the Vatican with the Pope, where everything seems to be rosy. It's Jubilee's principal business to meddle with NASA and cause a bit of confusion, push a number of members, and we see defections. So that shouldn't worry Junet Mohammed at all. And also, I would expect that the NASA leadership today are looking at Jubilee and wanting to cause disruption within the parliamentary group, within the Senate, within the National Assembly, to disrupt their thinking, get a few more members, to support their ideas. And so there's nothing wrong. And in fact, one of the principal beneficiaries of that meddling and disruption of business is Wiper's son, Kalonzo Musyoka's son, who's been elected to join the IALA. He got elected to go to IALA, not simply because everybody in Wiper wanted him or NASA. He got a number of votes coming his way from Jubilee, which in my view is a good thing. You also saw that for the very first time, a minority community in Kenya has got a lion's share. You look at the IALA nomination, you've got 3 members coming from one community, because the key players from the Somali community said there's a chance to have 3 of our own representing us. So at this stage, forget about NASA and our competitive politics. Let's have a conversation with them to support our candidates. And NASA did the same. That's why the former MP for Mbalambala was able to get his way to the East African Legislative Assembly. So in my view, if you are in competitive politics in Kenya today, you shouldn't expect your competition to sit pretty and give you a rose every day in the morning. No way. You must be prepared to the reality that they'll be seated somewhere, they want to antagonize you. So I think Junet Mohammed, who comes from the same county with Esbon Owilaya, must realize that Jubilee is not made up of angels. This is a political space, and there's going to be competition, and he has to live with that competition so long as it's in the political space.
Mark, is